if you see this beautiful hair flashing in front of camera, it means it's time for Invisible Bead Extensions review. I got them installed 6 months ago, so I think it's pretty enough time to talk about all the pros and cons. First of all, the most asked question I've been getting, and it was the curious one. You guys would ask me why I even went for extensions if my hair was already long, because usually people are aiming for length. The truth is that I've been on my hair growth journey and I was able to grow the length, but since I didn't win a genetic lottery, my hair was still thin and missing the volume. Then I kinda cracked the code and I was able to wake up my hair follicles and I got a new baby hairs, but oh my gosh, how long it will take for them to catch up on my current length. I recorded a video right before my appointment showing where my new hair growth reached, also the gaps from the mid till the bottom that are still not filled, and I don't know how many years it will take them to fill. All I wanted as any girl, I wanted to be pretty at that specific time and moment, and I had no patience to wait. And honestly, I never considered hair extensions because I've seen a bunch of videos how your own hair looks like after you remove them and how damaged it gets. And I also didn't want to give up on my hair growth journey, so extensions never even came to my mind until I found out about IBE. So what's so special about them? Invisible bead extensions require zero glue, no tape or heat used in their application, so it's really safe and I could maintain my hair growth routine. For the finer and more fragile hair types like mine, it's the safest and most flexible option available, and so I went for it. My hair master picked the perfect shades and we did 2 rows. I don't remember what the length was exactly, probably around 18 inches, but it blended in so perfectly. We didn't even need to trim them or do any extra adjustments. I was so happy with the results. It's literally changed my life and boosted my feminine energy and my confidence. I will attach a few videos and pictures here just so you can admire this incredible transformation with me. Just look at the difference before and after. No words, right? Pure perfection. Now every hairstyle turns out so amazing and curls last much longer, while my natural hair never held that course at all. Even after 5 days without washing my hair, it still looks fine, and before I used to wash it maybe 3 times a week. And yes, I continue doing all my hair routines, serums, scalp massages, derma rolling, all of it. I'm just being a little more careful when going around the rows. The only things I had to give up were claw clips and all my leave-in products with protein because they are not IBE friendly. But luckily, I discovered Goldie Locks. Their line works so well with my hair and smells absolutely heavenly. I also got filtered shower cap to make sure my hair gets the best care from every angle. Now let's talk maintenance. Overall, it's easy. You have to do a move up every 6 weeks, maybe 8 if your hair isn't growing fast. It takes just a little over 2 hours. Basically, the master needs to remove the extensions and then move them up. And honestly, being in the hands of professional makes it feel like a mini spa day, so I totally enjoy it. Once you have them freshly installed, you may feel a little tension on your hair, but it goes away next day. I haven't noticed any damage to my hair in the spots where extensions were attached, and even though my hair is really thin and fragile, it held extensions just well. When I went to have a little blowout for an event, when washing my head, the master was surprised that my hair doesn't fall out like it usually happens under extensions weight pressure. So I truly admire this method, and it's really safe, and I wish more people will discover it. Over the past 6 months, I've got so many compliments, it's unreal. I swear, with installing the extensions, my energy shifted too. I feel way more feminine. I was called Barbie so many times. I love it when I casually wake up in the morning and already looking beautiful without even trying, you know? Also, the braids became my official favorite hairstyle. Isn't it the cutest? And now see how it looked before. I just wanna cry. Sunny, sweaty days or windy days, my hair still looks fabulous and I just love it. I'm extremely happy with this transformation, and I hope this video will help you to learn more about invisible bead extensions and decide whether they're a good fit for your hair and lifestyle too. Thank you for watching, bye bye!